Good day, everyone, and welcome to Newsoluto. Welcome to another epic episode where we discuss our politics. So, there is another new political party that has just emerged. Newly formed political party. Now we have dozens and dozens, numerous political parties. Pick just one that you like. We have more. We have Africa Maibuye. Now we have Africa Renaissance. Africa Renaissance was launched in Durban, KZN, and it is now a new political party that we have, just adding to the number of the already existing political parties. So I want us to talk about the issue of Jabulani Khumalo, because Jabulani Khumalo is come back to hunt the MK party, particularly Jacob Zuma. So the man is not at peace. The man feels robbed, and now he has approached the Concord to deal with the matter between him and the MK party president Jacob Zuma. No matter what you do, no matter where you go, Jabulani Khumalo will always hunt the MK party, because rightfully so, as he claims, take note, he says that this is his party and it belongs to him. So I want us to talk about that a little bit, because Jabulani Khumalo akapheli umoya. He's out to get his party back.
Thina njengamanje ne-MK party iphathi yami engayiqalayo ngifuna ukuyilungisa le angiyona ifomu ngikumnikazi namanje ngokwamaphepha kusahlezi kunjalo yantshontshwa uZuma negebengu zakhe. So sisaqhubeka ke siye Concord ke manje, because ukhumbula ukuthi ngile Concord washo ukuthi bathi eConcord cha uqedanga eSCA ngiyele eSCA eSupreme Court of Appeal, sabuyela eSupreme Court yasinikeza ke ilento ngathi eConcord sasifuna idirect access. Then sabuyela ke sisinikezile ukuthi no singaya ke manje eConcord, so siyakhona ke njengamanje sesifakile icala okusho ukuthi ngeindlela whatever uZuma kwenzayo nabantu bakhe seku-underscrutiny ngoba icala likhona, abakwazi ukuqhubeka kuma-election ngaphandle ukuthi siqedele icala.
Nje ama-supporters akho njengamanje uthi awavotele banike ngoba sisaqhubeka icala, and masibheka kuzoshaya November 4 lingaka-conclude.
Ngenxa yalokho kanye yikho sithi kuma-supporters wethu awasupporte i-ARU okwamanje for ama-local government, but for 2029 so bese sisonke siphusha ukuthi sithole ukulinda.
He went out now to support a newly formed political party that was launched in KwaZulu-Natal called African Renaissance Unity, ARU. The interim leader is Spesihle Mhlaba, a former member of Umkhonto weSizwe party and the Africa Maibuye. She said that this is a political party that is here to stay for a long time, and we are going to take the people that are people-centered and people that understand the ills of the community, and not going to be a stock fell of a corrupt people who comes and advance their personal interest at the expense of the poor people. Let me just be quite frank. This was personally directed to Umkhonto weSizwe and Maibuye Africa, to Floyd Nico Shivambu. So we see that now these recruits are the people who were not happy, who once maybe were in the ANC and later they joined maybe the EFF, later they joined Umkhonto weSizwe, later they joined Africa Maibuye. Now they have joined now these political party. Where they are going from now, I don't know, but seems like they are moving, they are jumping from one party to another, one party to another.
The African Renaissance Unity imekanje. Interim president will be Pepile Sipre Mahlaba from KwaZulu-Natal. The deputy president will be Comrade Volodia Abdul. The national chairperson will be Comrade Noma Dung Mgwebi from the Eastern Cape. Then the deputy chairperson will be Comrade Fuso Mahlobo from Free State. As Secretary General, the engine of the organization, the one and only, Comrade Michelle Taylor from Gauteng Province. Bishop. My apology, Bishop. The Treasury General will be Comrade Lungi Tumisa Ngoma. Umtijeli, umphathi wepi. Lozothi ngiyabesaba na. This comrade is a brother to me. He will be umtijeli we-African Renaissance Unity, Comrade Thabiso Zulu from Cape.
Now, the big news of this was that former MK founder Jabulani Khumalo has showed his support behind the newly formed political party, as he said that he is there just to support the ARU. He is not a member. He said he is not a member. Come 2029, they will be working together as one group to take over government, because according to Jabulani Khumalo's plan, he wants to take the MK party and Jacob Zuma to Concord so that he will win now this case right against Jacob Zuma, so that the MK party will come back to him, according to him, as a rightful owner, so that he will partner with now the ARU to form government come 2029. So Jabulani Khumalo is this great plan that he has, is saying that now he will reclaim back the MK party. He will reclaim back the MK party. I mean, this man has been losing court battles over the MK party's bank account, over the MK party's ownership. 2024, September 23, expelled Jabulani Khumalo loses court battle over MK party's bank account. 13 June 2024, expelled Jabulani Khumalo loses another case against MKP as party cast him aside. So the man has been losing and losing and losing, but he keeps on coming back and back again. So he's not tiring. He wants this party back. He wants his party back, and he's not playing. He said that Jacob Zuma is a criminal. It's a person who stole the MK party from him. According to the papers, he's the owner. He says that I'm the owner of the party and I'm taking them to court, and we already filed a criminal case against Jacob Zuma. We know that now this is a third year this thing is happening. This is a third year. When he was expelled, when he was kicked out in the MK party, he started now to pursue this route of involving some courts so that he will get the party back. But now this is the third year and Jabulani Khumalo is not even closer in winning this political party. Not now remembering that the MK party members, they've rejected him, they've attacked him, they've wanted to just beat him up, right? Because this other time he just went out from the court running towards his motorcade there.
Go,
So it was so very bad. But the man is still adamant, claiming the ownership of the party and to say that such people he wants to lead. What's your take on this? Because looking at what is happening, the story of Jalane Khumalo ended very bad. And as much as things are going, they're not going good for him because he's been trying the same thing and is hoping that he will win. Maybe the Concord can say, we are ready to listen to your story. Let us have a case, and the MK party will find itself in trouble together with its leader. But Jalane Khumalo said something very interesting. He says that his aim is that he wants to stop the MK party from participating in the 2026 local government election. If the Concord grant him this, it means that now he will be stalling the party until he regain his position and reclaim it as his political party, so that when it comes to 2029, he will be leading the party from the front, and that he will be just merging everything together with African Renaissance. So what's your take on this? Do you think Jalane Khumalo will emerge victorious when it comes to this, or it will be another stalling after stalling and just another time wasting? But the man is so adamant. He just hopes that one day he will win this. And I was so very shocked when he said that, no, I'm just here to support. I'm not the member. I have my own party that I am running. And I was saying, yeah, this man is so adamant. This man is so zealous. He's so determined. And he just wants what belongs to him. And he's not joking. What's your take on this? Please leave it on the comment section below. And you can subscribe to this political YouTube channel.